I'm gonna make a quick bike check. Stayed home from school and I'm bored. Eastern bar ends with the stolen money grips. Kink Links bars. Eastern Trucker 3-stem. Eastern nitrous forks. I don't know the front wheel. A friend gave it to me. Got the Hoffman Mantra frame. McNeil sprocket chain guard, whatever you want to call it. Eastern Stealth. Odyssey Twisted. McNeil seat. Alienation C-post. And a Kink bike C-clamp. Got the Keiichi Geisha Freecoasting hub. Laced to Eastern bidirectional. And I got Mike Aitken red wall P-lights. Front and back.